All right, so we have a little bit more that we can add to our cheat sheet. This is actually probably an optional item to add to the cheat sheet, but it'll be great for review. So let's just talk about what we talked about in the C# syntax lesson, which was lesson CS-ASP_010. And we talked about several things: operands, operators, expressions, and statements. And so if you recall, operands are like variable names, object or server, control names, literals. We would call these the nouns in a sense, all right? And one thing I failed to say is that for the most part, you name these, okay? You create the name for operands. Operators are things like the verbs. They act on the nouns, so to speak, on the, let's go just operands. And let me give you that link so that you can learn more. Is gd/operators. Okay. Now expressions are one or more operands and zero or more operators that evaluate to a single value. And there's a little bit more to it than that. I'm giving you the simplified version, and you can kind of choose what to include and what to remove. Let's break these up into separate lines here to keep it all kind of nice and tight, like so. And if you want to learn more about those, you can go to is.gd/expressions. Okay, and then finally statements, and those are essentially a complete instruction. And again, I'm oversimplifying here, but assignment of an expression to a variable, and increment, decrement, and so on, and some things we haven't learned yet, so I'll just kind of just say etc. there. And you can learn more about that at isgood/statement. All right, and then the other things that we learned, just two more things, that statements must end in a semicolon, so that character, and that white space is ignored, but it's there to make it use for humans. Maybe that makes sense. Okay, make it human readable by using white space and indentation level and things like that I didn't mention. Okay, so that's all we have for our cheat sheet. Let's go ahead and save that one and then jump back into the fray. We'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.